Well, I'd like to now introduce you to the InChI, not the Da Vinci code. InChI, International Chemical Identifier. And it's the greatest thing ever since sliced bread.
Meet the InChI people, endorsed by IUPAC, who collaborated with NIST to develop and implement the InChI. Dedicated to fighting crime, dedicated to developing a computerized system for chemical identification.
What does that even mean?
Okay, let's go back to basics.
Right now we're in the Hall of Standards at NIST. That's the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This represents what NIST does. It deals with the reference standards, seconds, amperes, kilogram. This is one of the objects that NIST is very well known for. It's a meter, and it's the length of a meter as defined by an international committee.
So we're all agreed. The meter is this long.
NIST has also for many years been involved in chemical standards. Here's urea and cholesterol that are well-defined molecules with very precisely defined structure. The problem we have, and have had for many years since the beginning of chemistry, is how does one chemist tell another what chemical he's talking about?
This is an ionic suspension of pentachloride in milk. You mean the monosodium butter? No, not a bit. Please listen. This is a suspension. No, I think I'm fine. It is, but no.
We needed to develop a reliable computerized method for representing their identities. This is the origin of the InChI.
You idiot! Hey.
The computers use the language of science, so can talk without misunderstanding.
Morning, John.
Morning, Brian.
Do you like my chemical?
Yes, it's very nice.
It is, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we take over the world?
Why not?
When the web came along, I was one of the people who decided we've got to put chemistry onto the web, and chemistry was a little bit different from just pictures. We needed proper molecules. And so the InChI enabled us to combine this new wonderful World Wide Web with chemistry. So that's what it enabled, is accurate chemicals transmitted on the web.
We've been debating since the beginning of our project who was the first to come up with the idea of a chemical identifier. We have different memories of that.
I kept the original email from 1999 that I sent to you with the proposal. So I figured that was the beginning, at least in writing.
I have to check my email records to see if I have something that predates that. But the problem needed to be solved in a flexible way.
The Congress of the United States wrote some sort of legislation encouraging the use of the metric system. And as I like to point out, it was done in the 60s. And everyone says, oh, well, that's only been a few years, takes time. And I said, no, I actually meant the 1860s.
Yep.
After 150 plus years, the metric system still has not been established in the United States. And in about 7 years, the InChI standard has been adopted pretty well around the world and is moving forward rather quickly.
Incredible.